When we ask, does God have a choice about whether to love us or not, I think how you answer that question depends on what you mean by having a choice. If you mean, is it possible for God not to love us? I would say no, not in that sense. Love belongs to the very essence and nature of God as a morally perfect being, and therefore he loves us necessarily. But if by having a choice you mean, does he do it freely, then I would say, oh yes, certainly he does. He does it necessarily, but he also does it freely in the sense that there is no causal determination upon God to make him love as he does. It is the free expression of his own nature. So I think that God does have a choice in the sense that he freely loves us, even if it's impossible that he not do so because of his essential goodness.